Howdy, I hope you've had a good day. Silver Trade here again with another video. Hopefully a quick video, and we're going to be all over the place, and we're going to talk about the rumors of GameStop maybe buying eToro coming up on the 20th. But please remember, none of this is financial advice, and we are not financial advisors, and this video is made for entertainment purposes only. Roaring Kitty posted this on January 22nd of 2025. In the show Futurama, the dog waited for his owner Fry for 12 years. 12 weeks after Roaring Kitty posted this photo will be April 17th, so here in just a couple of days. Maybe Roaring Kitty returns soon, maybe this week. Let's not get ahead of ourselves here, but it would kind of check out. Last week he did get that new achievement on Reddit, and people on Reddit believe he's been active on his StockTwits account again. And on top of that, today a Californian congressman either bought 1,500 or 3,000 shares of GameStop. Either way, exciting. And Ryan Cohen posted this photo today, but then quickly deleted it. People online kept running it through filters, and they found a little number up here. S669 with a little B for Bitcoin, maybe? Here's the original. You can't see it. And here it is with the filters. S669 could be referring to the Defund Act of 2025 to terminate membership by the United States in the United Nations. It seems kind of weird for GameStop to be talking about that. So maybe Ryan Cohen's hidden little 669 up in the corner is referring to this. These are 2024 Bitcoin trading cards, Warriors vs. Villains, Silver 42 Fiat Currency 669, which looked like this. And it's got a picture of the US dollar, like the Titanic, crashing into an iceberg of debt. And then a little Bitcoin lifeboat with the light. Apparently, there were only 669 of these made. Could this be Ryan Cohen hinting that they already bought Bitcoin? And if they were to buy 669 Bitcoin, that would only be about $55 million. And if you wouldn't mind, please give this video a like. I'm sorry to ask, but I have to. I really appreciate it. GameStop and their $1.3 billion private offering, probably to their new friends, said that they might be buying Bitcoin with it. If GameStop were to spend $1.5 billion at about $75,000 per Bitcoin, which is lower than it's at right now, they would get about 20,000 Bitcoin. Riot doesn't even hold that many Bitcoin. Mara barely holds double that many Bitcoin. MicroStrategy obviously holds a lot more than that. MicroStrategy's market cap to equity ratio would be about 27.95. Their market cap is $61 billion, and they hold $2.2 billion in cash. GameStop's market cap to equity ratio is only 1.74, with a $10 billion market cap and $6 billion in cash. If GameStop had a similar success to MicroStrategy after buying up Bitcoin, it would 16x to a market cap of about $168 billion, which comes to a share price for GameStop of about $379. Citadel has a reported derivative exposure of over $3 trillion from its combined LLCs so far. There's a few more reports that they have to fill out soon, and people are expecting those to push this $3 trillion number a lot higher. And if that's the case, that could reflect very, very well on GameStop. And while we know Citadel is in trillions and trillions of over-leveraged positions, the Fed prepares a $2 trillion bailout as hedge fund trade implodes. They've been begging for this for months. Fed officials confirm Trump tariff bailout is ready amid the $30 trillion market panic warning. We're probably going to get a bank bailout pretty soon. So we know Ryan Cohen posted they better not put tariffs on gefilte fish, however you pronounce it. And then he deleted it. Well, back in December of 2021, eToro was planning on doing a merger with some company that never worked out, and they still haven't listed on the NASDAQ yet. When you look here, it says Project Gefilte Merger, just like Ryan Cohen's tweet. eToro withdrew the request to go public on 7/21 of 2022, but has recently filed a new public offering on March 24th of 2025. Please remember, this is just a rumor though. For anybody who doesn't know, eToro is kind of like a small Robinhood or Webull or Fidelity. It's a stock and crypto trading platform. Maybe GameStop merges with them, and then GameStop is their own stock trading / crypto trading platform. GameStop's already done the NFT marketplace before, and eToro isn't a huge company. I know we're really reaching here, but maybe they announced the merger on the 20th. And if Roaring Kitty came back on the 17th and they announced something like this on the 20th, oh my goodness, we are going to have a good month. And if you guys wouldn't mind, please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Especially if you like this crazy tinfoil. And GameStop short interest is up 68.33% reported. Which is great to see, just brings more eyeballs and more FOMO. They lie about these numbers because they have to. But obviously I'm joking. Larry Chang posted about Ryan Cohen again today. He was thinking how many public company CEOs literally in history have taken 0 salary, 0 bonus, and 0 in stock. Not a single dollar in wages, not a single share of stock, not a single option, nothing. Not Jobs, not Ellison, not Buffett, not Musk. Ryan Cohen is the only one. Zacks Investment Research bull of the day was GameStop. It's worth mentioning that the stock isn't going to squeeze again like it did a few years ago, with the current short interest percentage well below the extremes we saw. Nonetheless, the bullish EPS outlook for the stock paints a positive near-term picture with its next set of quarterly results expected near the beginning of June. And they literally have to lie about the short interest. BlackRock just pumped another $2.3 billion into Ethereum, and so now you can trade options on Ethereum using this ticker symbol ETHA. And so we've talked about Hedera, HBAR, the crypto, with Hashgraph, and Nvidia's partnership. And today, Nvidia announced a $500 billion investment plan to build and expand AI infrastructure in the United States. And so Binance posted this weird post over the weekend. A plus A equals B, B plus B equals D, A plus D equals E. So what does B, D, and E equal? This guy had the great idea of giving it to ChatGPT. And I've been looking and looking and looking, and everybody agrees that it's K. And it's green, like Caspa, kind of. And Binance knows that everyone's been waiting for Caspa to get listed, so maybe this is Binance just letting the Caspa nerds know that they're finally about to list Caspa. Because only Caspa holders will even care about this. Could be BS. Who knows? I really appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. I hope you found value in it. Christ is King. Thank you, and God bless.